I'm going to be using my Babyliss Pro curling iron. This is an 1.25 inch size. I'm going to wrap the hair around the curling iron once or twice depending on how long your client's hair is. Once I do that, I'm going to let it sit for a couple of seconds, and then I'm going to unwrap the hair, pull my curling iron down, making sure that I leave the ends out, and then I'm going to wrap again, let it sit for a couple of seconds, and then go ahead and just bring your curling iron out. If the curl is too tight, I sometimes like to pull the hair down and hold it for a couple of seconds. If you guys want to see how I created this balayage look, go ahead and click on the link below, or you can also look for my video foil to balayage. This is the look that I created, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to do this all around the head, and I usually like to work side to side. Now it's the same concept, you just want to keep wrapping the hair, unwrapping, and then wrapping again. Again, if the curl is too tight, just pull the curl down a little bit. So yeah, go ahead and wrap, unwrap, bring the curl iron down, wrap again. Once you're happy, then go ahead and just unwrap and bring out your curling iron. I usually leave the curls as they are until I'm done with the full head, and then I'll just brush them out. You want to let your curls sit for a little bit so they cool down. The reason why I just leave my curling iron a couple of seconds in between wraps is because I don't really want a tight curl. I want more of an undone kind of curl, and so by doing that, I'm able to achieve that. Also, make sure that if you are working with finer hair, that you are prepping the hair before blow drying. And even after you blow dry, I would probably spray some hairspray and then start curling the hair, just because you want to make sure that the hair holds that curl. When I'm working on the side of the head, I like to have my curls going back. But you can always alternate if you wanted to. I usually alternate my sections when I'm working around the back of the head. For the front, I like to keep my curls away from the face. Once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and spray my Davines Medium Hold Hairspray. And I'm also going to be using my Unite Texturiza spray. This is a texturizing spray. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and brush those curls. So I usually like to brush my curls out with my fingers, or sometimes I will use a wide tooth comb. So I alternate between those two. For this video, I'm just using my hands, and as you can see, these curls are very soft and very beachy type of curls, which are very popular these days. Once I'm done and happy with that, then I'll go ahead and sometimes I'll even put a little bit more texturizing spray just to give it a little bit more of lift. But this is the end result. Again, it's a pretty easy technique. There's a lot of different ways that stylists like to curl hair. This is just the way that I like to do it, and it works for me. So yeah, if you end up trying this technique, let me know. Tag me on your videos, on your pictures, because I want to see your work. But yeah, I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's very self-explanatory, but if you guys have questions, let me know. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you on my next one.